Assalamualaikum dear student. Subject Math class 3rd lesson number 5 multiplication. So all of you take out your textbook and open the page number 25. In a previous video I taught about multiplication and now children let us see one more example. Okay. So open the page number 24. Suppose one notebook cost 5 rupees. How much will 9 such notebook cost? एक नोटबुक 5 रुपीज का है, so 9 नोटबुक का कॉस्ट कितना होगा? So we find 9 notebook cost. How many notebooks are there? 9 notebook. So each have 5 rupees cost. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to, if you add this, we will get the answer 45. An addition of 5 taken 9 times means 5 multiplied by 9. So if you written as 5 multiplied by 9 and if you read the 5 table 9 times, you will get the answer 45. Hence the cost of 9 notebook is 45. Okay. Next, tables are nothing but series of multiplication. Later on we shall use table to carry out multiplication of large number. Okay, so let us recite the 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 times table and also read 2 times in your SW book. So read along with me. First, 2 time tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18, 2 10 are 20. Okay, like this you will recite the table from 2 to 10 and also write 2 times in your SW book. Next example is, student, you can definitely see the pictures with some amazing objects. Take out the page number 26. Page number 26. One more examples of multiplication. So you can definitely see the pictures with some amazing objects. Then we will add the object. You can see the pictures of in the form of objects as add the object shown in the pictures. Then we will find how many times object shown in the picture. Then we will find how many times object shown in the picture. We will show it as, and then we will show it as multiplication, and then find total number of objects. Okay, so solve the problem. If you notice the picture, so there are 5 groups of flowers. How many groups? There are 5 groups of flowers and each have 2 flowers. How many flowers? 2. So 2 added 5 times. How many times? 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 5 times as written in multiplication way. 5 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 2. So 5 2s are 10. Total number of object is 10. Total number of flowers is 10. Solve the second problem. You can see the two group of heads. How many heads are in each group? 5. How many heads? 5. So, as an addition, 5 plus 5, 5 twice. Twice means 2. Five twice means 5 multiplied by 2. Twice means 2. 5 multiplied by 2. So, if you read the 5 table 2 times, you will get the answer. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So, total number of heads are there 10. Write down. Write down in your textbook. Do this activity in your textbook. Okay. Next example is, there are 5 groups of carry-on colors. How many groups? 5 groups. And each have how many carry-ons? Each have 3 carry-ons. So 3 5 times. Okay. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means 3 5 times. So 5 multiplied by 3. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Okay. Next example is, there are 3 boxes, each have 10 beads. How many beads? 10. So, if we add this 10 plus 10 plus 10, so 10 3 times mean 10 3 times. As written in multiplication way, 10 multiplied by 3. 10 threes are 30. So total number of object is 30. Next is, you can see the yummy guavas. Yes or no? Yes. There are total 6 boxes of yummy guavas and each have 4 guavas. So, it means the 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. We added 4 6 times. How many times? 6 times. 4 6 times. As written in multiplication way, 4 multiplied by 6. So, we will get the answer. 4 6 are 24. So, total number of objects is 24. Okay. The next and last example is, bundle of matchstick. There are 6 bundle of matchstick. How many bundles? 6. And each have total 10 matchsticks. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10 means 10 6 times. How many times? 6 times. So as written in multiplication way, 10 multiplied by 6 is equals to 60. 10 6 are 60. So total number of matchsticks, the total number of objects are 60. Do this activity in your notebook. Next is 6 timetables. So look at the first box. There are only 1 row and each have 6 beat. There are only one row and each have 6 beat, means 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. And next there are 2 rows and each have 6 beats. So 6 twice 12. Next there are 3 rows and each have 6 beats. So 6 times 18. Same as it is. 6 fours 24. 6 5 times. 6 fives are 30. 6 6 times. 6 are 36. 6 7 times. 6 sevens are 42. 6 8 times. 6 8 are 48. 6 9 times. 6 nines are 54. 6 10 times. 6 tens are 60. Next and last is your homework. Write the 6 time table in your LSW book 4 times. How many times? 4 times, plus write down first to 10 table. Okay? Thank you.